How to remove all Instagram likes at once. So let's get started. Firstly, simply open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Now, once you are logged in, simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile. Once inside the profile, tap on the three dashboard option available at the top right corner of your screen. And once you tap on the three dashboard, simply scroll down and look for the Your Activity option available there and tap on it. Inside Your Activity, choose Likes option available there. Then simply tap on the Choose or Select option available at the top right corner. Then select the likes you want to remove. Once done, you can see Unlike option available at the bottom. Simply tap on it and unlike it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.